Learning shapes with a 4-year-old.
Does it have sides? No. Does it have any corners? What does it have? It has a curved line. Because when you do a line and you're just curving it, it makes a circle. Look at, what's this shape? A square. How many sides does a square have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 sides. How many corners?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 corners. What shape is this one?
Triangle.
Triangle. How many sides?
1, 2, 3.
And corners?
1, 2, 3.
How many straight lines do you need to use to draw one?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, good job. What shape is this?
A triangle. Rectangle.
Rectangle. How many corners do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 corners. How many sides?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. What about lines? How many straight lines does it have?
1, 2, 3.
3 sides?
1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, can we try again? I think you went too fast.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. What other shape has 4 sides and 4 corners? Okay, let's see. Count how many circles you got.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Good. How many triangles? Oh, rectangles.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nice counting.
The squares.
Now the squares.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 squares. Now triangles.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice counting. Good job.